What's up guys? So today we are going to be taking a look at this KOWASIS Car Vacuum Cleaner.
Are you sure it is a KOWASIS vacuum cleaner?
Yes, I'm sure. I know what I purchased from Amazon.
So why does it have the name Cherilon on the box?
That's a very good question. One that I can't answer right now. Anyhow, let's do the unboxing. Here we have the filter and a small brush that came to clean the filter. Here we have a nice storage case.
It says Cherilon, big man.
Yes, I noticed. Anyhow, I'm still going with this is a KOWASIS Car Vacuum Cleaner. Here we have the accessories that came with the Car Vacuum Cleaner. According to the manual, this is the brush nozzle. Here we have the slot pipette. Here we have the extended hose. Now this is long and flexible, as you see here. And we have the long tube. Now the slot pipette goes right on to the front of this. So this can get you into those hard to reach places. There was another item that came in a box that you didn't see me take out of the box, but it was an extra fuse that came for the car vacuum cleaner. And last but certainly not least is the KOWASIS Car Vacuum Cleaner.
Cherilon Car Vacuum Cleaner.
It has a very long cable. According to the documentation, this cable is 16.4 feet. So this should be able to extend to any part of the car, even into the trunk. And here we have the end that goes into your car's cigarette lighter. So you just plug that in and you are ready to go. So guys, here is your on and off switch. Here is your dust removal cap. After you finish with the vacuum, you take that off so you can release the dust from the vacuum cleaner. Here we have the dustbin disengaging switch, so all you have to do is press here.
You need a little bit more muscle there, guy.
It's really difficult. Okay guys, so that was my mistake. Apparently, you can turn it to the bottom and you see that the full switch is on both ends. So you have to disengage both parts to take it off. So there you have it. And this is the filtration system. You can remove this as well. Here's another filter. Now this one came with the car vac, and the one that I showed you before is an extra one, so you actually get 2 filters. And you can take out the filtration system. Okay guys, so we are going to take this car vac out to the car and see what it can do. So here we are in the car. We have the car vacuum cleaner. Remember, this end goes into your car cigarette lighter. So let's get it all set up and get going. So guys, as you can see, it did an excellent job of cleaning up the car floor. Let's try one of the seats now. Just for some added entertainment, I am going to sprinkle some nut husk remains in this seat. So guys, as you can see, it did an excellent job of cleaning up this car seat. So let us empty out the contents of the car vacuum cleaner. Now there's still some dust left in there, so you can disengage the dustbin attachment. Take out the filter. And empty out the remaining contents. Here's the filter, guys. And remember, you have a brush. So guys, here's my assessment. I think that this KOWASIS Car Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent product. So if there's dust, debris, shavings on your car floor or in your car seat, this can get it cleaned up. So guys, you can check out this product on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description below. I will see you in the next one, God willing.